Hi guys, I'm Verity from Ibiza Superfoods. We're currently on day 3 of lockdown and quarantine here in Ibiza, and my friends at Dancing Leopard have asked for me to share with you my brew. So for this recipe, you're going to need just 5 potent immune boosting ingredients. The first one is garlic, and you're going to need about 6 cloves of this. And the garlic has had proven antiviral properties due to its compound called allicin, so we love garlic. The second is ginger, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory. You need approximately 250 to 300 grams of this. The following one is rosemary, which is rich in antioxidants. And we also need about 2 lemons, which have a very high vitamin C content, along with flavonoids. And finally, we need cayenne pepper. And cayenne pepper is very rich in capsaicin, which is great for your immune system and circulation. So for this recipe, we need to use approximately 1.5 to 2 litres of water, and we need this boiling. We're then going to add in our antiviral superstar, which is the garlic, and we're adding in 6 cloves of this, together with the ginger, which has potent anti-inflammatory benefits, and that again is 250 to 300 grams of that. We're then going to boil that for approximately 20 minutes. So once the ginger and the garlic has been boiling for approximately 20 minutes, you can then add in the rosemary. So you want about 2 to 3 sprigs of rosemary, and just add that in, and then reduce the heat and simmer again for another 20 minutes. So once the rosemary is simmered down for approximately 20 minutes, we can start adding in the lemon juice. So the reason that we squeeze in the lemon juice after it's boiled is because vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient that can be easily destroyed by heat. And finally, we just need to sieve it, and then you can add some cayenne pepper, a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon, however much you can tolerate, to taste, and even some manuka honey if you feel the need.
Taste, test and see.